Rio Lion, Sol Wilfredo C. Flores Jr., 30 PNJ.
Thank you. Please take your seats. Thank you to Lion Vice President Dr. Michael Francis for your kind introduction. To our presiding officer today and President of the Batangas Lions Club, Lion Victorino Arcega. To the immediate past President, Lion Arnold R.A. Gutierrez. To our immediate past District Governor, Rodante Ramos Bico, and multiple District LCIF Coordinator, past District Governor Wenny Basa Bico. To our first Vice District Governor, Apolinar U. Cortez. Second Vice District Governor, Imelda F. Becerra. Past District Governor, Manolo Rosales. Past District Governor, Benjamin June Espina. To our Global Membership Team Coordinator, Past District Governor, Maria Jesusa W. Antiporda. Region Chairperson, Aurora Oren Realon. To all members of the District Cabinet here present today. To all visiting Lions, fellow Leo Lions, Leos, guests, and most especially, to the officers and members of the Batangas Lions Club. Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. I take special privilege in being able to address the officers and members of the Batangas Lions Club on the occasion of your 63rd Charter Anniversary and 64th induction ceremonies held today in Ginecel Hotel in Batangas City. Anniversaries are an exercise in memory. It is a chance for those who are part of the Lions Club to pause, take stock, and look back at what has been in order to plan and prepare for what will become. Today, we celebrate the legacy that is the Batangas Lions Club. A legacy 6 decades long and pushing for another 6 decades. And this kind of continuity, a great field of succession, not only just in leadership, where you have very outstanding past presidents who I must say are very impressive, seated, and supportive of you today, Mr. President Vic. But a legacy of the Batangas Lions Club for membership. You are currently